July 7th. International Peace and Love Day. International Peace and Love Day is celebrated on July 7th to spread positive energy across the world. Peace and love don't cost a thing, but their power goes far beyond anything words can capture. Different cultures have their concepts of peace. The philosophy of Ubuntu among the Zulu in Africa teaches that humanity is linked. To the Japanese, Haiwa means aligning oneself to the common good. The spirit of Shalom among Hebrews translates to unity and prosperity, with a sense of wholeness arising from justice. Most cultures seem to agree that the world needs more love and peace. History of International Peace and Love Day. International Peace and Love Day was introduced by the Beatles drummer Richard Starkey, whose birthday falls on July 7th. Starr's Peace and Love Birthday Initiative, which was launched in 2008, inspired the idea for International Peace and Love Day. Starr was 68 at the time, and after a journalist asked him what he'd like for his birthday, he responded with peace and love. Every year since then, Starr has encouraged people worldwide to spread peace and love. Fans could talk about it, post it on social media with the hashtag peace and love, or simply think about it. Aside from making the rallying call, Starr began the tradition of meeting with friends and fans at the Hard Rock Cafe in Chicago, handing out cupcakes and joining the crowd in saying, "Peace and love at noon." In 2019, more than 30 peace and love events were celebrated worldwide, and Starr's 800-pound Peace and Love statue was exhibited in Beverly Hills, California. Mayor John Mirisch unveiled the 8-foot-tall work of art on Santa Monica Boulevard in front of City Hall. In 2020, Starr moved the celebrations online, inviting musicians to perform at Ringo's Big Birthday Show, which he hosted. Dave Grohl, Paul McCartney, and Sheryl Crow were some of the performers. Through the International Space Station, NASA astronauts sent birthday wishes and a message of peace and love to the world. Thank you for watching.